I had a lot of requests for PTON to have a TA routine, so I'm going to go ahead and do a small quick one real quick. So of course the first step is marking your range. So I'm just going to kind of get a good emerging candle like this one. I like to look for peaks that are under a support, therefore I know I definitely have the range. Because you can see that's just all buyer momentum. And another very strong peak you can mark if you want. Let's move on to the daily time frame. Let's start from this left side and focus on our emerging candles. So I know price is about right here, so I'm not, of course, just going to start from the bottom. You can mark your most important ones though. So you can mark that peak, you can mark this range of that peak, emerging candle, emerging candle, emerging candle. Sorry if I sound repetitive, I'm just trying to say why I'm marking each level. Emerging candle, gap range, and another emerging candle. So we have most of everything just from that left side run, which should give you everything, mostly. So sometimes you will have to go back through, like right here, you can see there's not the midpoint of that range of that green candle. It ends up being a really good support and another really good resistance turn support before the breakout, really good support turn resistance. So you can see that level is utilized a lot. And again, all I did was lazily mark that halfway point. Volume analysis real quick, just to see what's going on. So go out to the daily again. We need to see everything. Oh, this is everything. So you can see we are in a slight uptrend. So just kind of give you that picture. You can delete that, of course. Look at the volume now. What is your volume telling you? Since recovery, yeah, you had some buyer presence show up. Very average volume show up. That's good for continuation. And that's what you want to see. You can see there's a boring amount of volume right here. And that's what happened inside of here, a boring amount of trading. Very big candle still, though. Don't sleep on that. That's pretty cool. Big breakout, though, occurred. As you can see, small amount of buyer presence showed up again, above average volume, and now we're getting a slower seller presence show up right around that same spot in which we broke out from. So you can see just from the volume analysis, where we had low volume, we're having another low seller volume again. So are we looking for support catch? Are we looking for further retracement? We have to see right here. That's where we're at. We're at a 50-50 again for PTON on that. But those are the two probabilities that we're looking for. Let's look on the 30 to 30 minute create a trade plan. So it looks like tomorrow here on PTON we can trust above. Let me get these other levels marked. I like to also mark these other levels right here because you can see opening prices right here from that 2 day ago, and then you see that's the pre-market high. So 112 is very, very important. So we're not just looking at above 111. You're also looking at above 112. You have another dollar up that you have to worry about. Then you can say 113.50. So my trade plan for the above side, if this is where price starts at, is going to be above 111 to 112 for a good scalp target. Next main target is going to be that 113.50. Okay. Let's talk about supports now. I'm going to mark this 2 day common support. You can see both days in a row have been sitting on top of that support. So it looks like below 109.25, we are shorting to 107.70s. And below that to 105.25. If we want to set a level in between that range, we definitely can at 106.50. But that's already looking really, really good. So I like this PTON chart, and I hope you guys do too. Please mark up these levels, and please create these trade plans and have them ready. Set alerts if you need to. But hope to see you guys on these trades during the week.